Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Tuesday afternoon about, what time is it? 3:45, almost 4 o'clock. Summer. Not over yet. Look at the beaches. High temperatures today, topping out in the upper 80s to near 90. Very humid. In fact, these temperatures running well above average. Hazy sunshine clouds, warm, borderline hot in Providence right now. Temperatures that are in the upper 80s. As of almost the 4 o'clock hour, most areas between about 85 and 89 degrees. Looking at 86 in Providence. Looking at New Bedford, even the beaches and the coastline are quite warm. There's not much of a sea breeze today. You can see on the satellite radar composite, just got a few fair weather clouds kind of zipping on by. I want to show you this circulation offshore. Hard to believe, but this was once the circulation from Hurricane Idalia. Spinning, no longer a hurricane, obviously, but a gale center. It's about 450 miles to the east of Cape Cod. It's still throwing back some swells and big surf out on the Cape. I was actually on the Cape last couple of days, including yesterday. Boy, the surf out there on the outer Cape facing the Atlantic, quite rough from this circulation, but it's staying offshore. Tropics remain active, typically this time of year. I mean, this is really the peak of the hurricane season, and really watching this with a lot of interest. This is Tropical Depression 13 will become our next named storm, which is Lee. To give you an idea how far out in the Atlantic, this is nearly 2,500 miles away from Florida, so we have many, many days to look at it. But a lot of our computer guidance suggesting not only does this become a hurricane, but perhaps a major hurricane by the weekend. Take a look at the latest stats from the Hurricane Center. Again, a depression, almost a tropical storm. Winds are at 35 miles per hour. Forecast takes it into an intensifying hurricane. And here's the position by 8 o'clock on Sunday morning. It's north of the Leeward Islands. And obviously a storm in this position for next week. All interests along the Bahamas and the East Coast and Bermuda. We'll have to watch this closely. Right now, the long-range forecast has it curving, back out at sea, but really need to watch this next week very closely. And we'll certainly do that. Have many days to be doing that. All right, closer to home, it is, it's fairly quiet. All right, forecast for this evening, just kind of a warm, humid, summery night. 11 o'clock, it's still well into the 70s. For Wednesday morning, sunshine, warm. 7 a.m. it's already 72, 86 by 11 a.m. And much like today, Wednesday afternoon, kind of a repeat, hazy sunshine, hot and humid, temperatures topping out in the upper 80s to near 90 inland and the lower 80s along the South Shore.